Hi guys, my name is Raza Rajwani. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up push notification in React Native apps using Firebase. First, make sure you have all prerequisites to create a React Native app as per the official document. Open the command prompt and create a blank React Native app. npx React Native my app. Our new project has been created. Open the Visual Source Code. Open folder. Okay, okay, that is our project. I just have to select folder. Then open the new terminal. Native run dash and void. Open the Firebase console. Then create a new project. Then enter your project name, my app. Then continue. Continue. Select default. Create project. Your new project is ready. Then you have to click on a continue button. Then you have to click on a gear icon. Then project settings. Then you have to click Android icon. Then it will ask you to enter the Android package name. Go back to your project. Then Android app src main. Then you have to click Android manifest.xml. Here you will find the project name. You just have to copy and go back to there and paste there. Okay. Then just have to click register app. Download the Google services.json file and show. Copy this file. This file you have to copy in your app folder. This is my project. Then click app. Here you need to paste this file. Click on next button. Then these settings you have to put in your project. Let's open the project build.gradle file. Let's Android build.gradle. Let's search this build script. Okay, and repositories. Okay, this one you already have. Then you have to copy this and paste under the dependencies. And then we have to copy the Google under the repository, and it's already there. Then open your project app and then build.gradle. Then open Android app and then build.gradle. Then we have to copy this. It's already there. We have to copy this line. Okay. Then under the dependency we have to copy this. Then we have to copy here. Okay, then we have to click next, escape. There are two major plugins you can use to implement push notification. One is React Native push notification and another one is React Native Firebase. React Native Firebase is a major plugin that can implement almost all Firebase functionalities in React Native. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna use React Native push notification plugin, which is made only for push notification purpose. Let's open the React Native push notification. Then you have to click first link. Then we have to install this dependency using this command. Copy, then go back to our project. I will paste there. It is successfully installed. Now we have to go back. Okay, we already have installed this library. Now we have to go to the next step. Then we have to go to the Android and build.gradle file. Android and then build.gradle file. Okay, then we have to copy this lines under the extension, enter. Then we have to remove this. By default it will plus also this, save. Then next we have to do under the Android app src main Android manifest xml file. This one we have to open Android app src, Android app src main Android manifest xml. Then we have to copy these lines, copy. Then we have to paste here. Then we have to copy from here to here. We don't have to copy this, just copy this lines and paste under the application tag. Okay. Then next we have to create a colors.xml file under the app src main res values, Android app src main res values. Here we have to create a new file, colors.xml. Then we have to copy this, paste here. Then we have to go to the Android settings.gradle. Again, let me close it. Android, then setting.gradles. Then we have to copy these lines, copy, paste. Okay, then we have to copy this line to the main application.java. We have to go app src main java main application.java. Then we have to copy this line here. Then we have to copy this and go back to our app.js. Let's move everything and RSC. We have to import push notification from React Native push notifications, control C. Then we have to copy this. We have to copy everything here. Under the constructor we have to paste it. Then we have to remove unnecessary things like this. Remove this since we are not using iOS. Okay. Okay, we already have done this. Now we have to go to this push notification or local notification. We have to copy this and let's create a new function, send message. We have to paste there. We can remove this and this. Okay, from a document. Then we will create a new button on press. We will call send message. Okay, let's title, click here to send message. Okay, now we have to open the terminal and then again React native word. So now you can see upon clicking on click here to send message button, I am receiving the notification on my mobile. Okay, my notification. Okay, now we can go back to the our code. So here we can make some parameters, some arguments like my title, my message. Okay, instead of my notification title, I will make it dynamic. Okay, and then in the send message function, I will pass two parameters, title and the message body. Then again I will click on this button, then I will get this message. I hope you understand this step. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing with others, and also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon with the new topics. Thank you very much.